This is a red Macintosh apple tree, planted 2 years ago. It grows about 6 feet tall before branching out. Oftentimes this is not a popular trimming style because of the potential difficulty of harvest. This style has a few advantages. If you live in a country where snow gets deep, the snow will pile up and potentially rip lower branches off as high as it builds up. If it builds up to 4 feet, when it melts in the spring, it can tear all the branches off. This shouldn't be an issue here, but this has kept the tree from being chewed on by deer or the grasshopper plagues of both years of its life have affected it less than the short trees. What I start out by doing is determining which primary first tier branches I want to keep. I'm going to keep one branch going in either direction, opposite each other. And I want to pick branches where have a nice angle away from the tree. In the higher reaches of the branches, the growth is a little bit small to determine which branches I want to save. Besides a little bit of directional pruning. It's also good not to remove too much of the top canopy of the tree. If you do that, the new growth will want to head straight up for the sun. I'm shortening the long growth down to a bud that's facing in the direction I want the branch to grow in. Properly trained, a tree that branches out even at a high level like this should be easily reachable off of an orchard ladder. What I'm doing is shortening the terminal bud to prevent too much height growth. And it's important to make sure that none of the lateral buds are higher than the terminal bud, or they will become the new top of the tree.
Yes, we
Well, that's all for this tree. Thanks for watching.